what was it that made you not speak up, that you think, okay, I need to take responsibility for this?
Oh, look, when I married my ex-husband, our first date was to the races. You know, that's when you meet someone, you take on all of the things that make them happy, and that made him happy. And look, he's a really good person. He's a good father to my children. He was a good husband to me. We just went our separate ways, and then there was a catalyst of a whole lot of stuff that happened, unfortunately, at one particular time, which caused, let's say, the demise of our relationship. But if I was truly honest, I'd sort of probably fallen out of love some years earlier, because I'm the sort of person that is quite ambitious, that wants to make a difference in the world, wants to try and help people, and and I probably wasn't allowed to do a lot of those sorts of things. I was sort of I was a stay-at-home mum at that stage, 3 children, helped the footy club, did all those sorts of things that were great, but they really didn't fulfill this need in me to help people. So looking back now, when I was looking to try and get help and support to get divorced, there was really nothing out there. So that's how this business really came about. So it was a need that I found for myself, and I had other girlfriends and male friends that were saying the same thing. There's nothing out there.